Country Girl here, part 2. Okay, that's the step. But I put salt on it last night. What if we can see the car? Can we see the car? No. Okay, anyway. So what I've been using is this here trash thing. Make little deals so I salted the step last night. I'll take the cell phone with me when I go out, and okay, so we'll just keep working on this. You got to keep after this. You can't let it accumulate on you. And I've got an outdoor cat that came in. It's Wilma. Wilma, you eating your food? Yes, you eating your food. She never comes in.